Welcome to this video. I'm Terry Kwok, the undergraduate coordinator of the Department of Accounting. I'll give you an overview of the BBA in Professional Accounting program. Particularly, I'm going to focus on the HKUST accounting curriculum and also the enrichment activities offered, which form an important part of students' life. Further, I'll give you a glimpse of the employment information of our accounting graduates so that you'll have a better idea as to whether this fits into your career aspirations. Here is the content list. Before I start with the accounting curriculum, I'd like to tell you about what accounting is for the benefits of those who don't have much accounting background. Accounting is the language of business. This is what Warren Buffett, a legendary investor, said when he gave advice to a 17-year-old investment intern. Accounting is a means of communicating information about a business. Accounting helps both internal parties, such as top management in the company, and external parties, such as the investors, to understand what is happening inside of a business. As such, Warren Buffett also told a young intern to study accounting and integrate into its understanding and usage. This will help him to be successful in the business world. Accountants in the modern business world are required to analyze their accounting information to provide valuable insight into the operations, identifying trends and opportunities that can help make a company more profitable, and also be vigilant to detect any fraud when they find something fishy. To be successful accountants today, we need to move away from pure number crunching and become a business professional with a strong business acumen to resolve business issues and add value to the business. When we design the accounting curriculum, we have the following in mind. We aim to groom our students to be successful business professionals in accounting and also other business functions such as banking and finance. As you will see shortly in the career section, studying accounting opens the door to other disciplines as well besides accounting. Our accounting curriculum is broad-based and emphasizes on multidisciplinary abilities and development of business acumen to enable our students to integrate them to resolve real-life business issues. Such caliber is high in demand in the business world. We also provide opportunities to students to participate in the variety of enrichment activities to enhance their learning experience and develop their business acumen. In the accounting curriculum, we have 3 different layers of courses to develop students with different skill sets to cope with their real-life situations. The University Common Core aims to develop the general skill set. The courses include, for example, communication in both English and Chinese, quantitative reasoning, analytical skills, and so forth. A typical course at HKUST is a 3-credit course. Such course has 2 lectures or seminars a week, lasting for 13 weeks in a semester. We develop students with multidisciplinary business knowledge and skills through the school required courses. These courses include, for example, economics, financial management, information system, business case analysis, marketing management, and fundamental accounting as well. In this way, students can broaden their business knowledge and develop their strong business acumen. As for the required courses for accounting major students, we cover different facets of accounting, such as financial accounting, management accounting, taxation, auditing, and the laws that govern business and so forth. These areas of expertise are essentially the core competence of the accounting profession that add value to business. We also have other electives such as corporate strategy, accounting analytics for students to choose. The Professional Excellence course is one of the HKUST accounting program highlights, whereby we invite the partners from the Big Four accounting firms to give a series of seminars about different services provided by their firm, such as assurance services, auditing, taxation, advisory services, and so forth. These partners, who are the leaders of the firm, will also share about their work life, their hands-on practical experience, and tips with our students how to become successful in the profession. The Big Four are the first-tier public accounting firms and considered by students as the most sought-after professional accounting firms to work for. They are PwC, EY, Deloitte, and KPMG. At the HKUST, we are always in the forefront in the technological advancement, as the accounting faculty see the increasing demand for talent with data-driven insight. We'll introduce the academic option of accounting analytics in the coming semester. What is accounting analytics? This is about how to use the big data in accounting field. Students choosing this option will learn the data analytics technologies and acquire general programming knowledge and skills. More importantly, students are trained with the analytics mindset so that they are able to utilize the relevant data analytics technology to solve accounting and business-related issues. With the addition of the accounting analytics, our accounting program provides more flexibility and choices to students according to their career aspirations. For example, students who wish to learn the language of the business as a head start in a variety of business careers may just acquire the minimum credit to meet the accounting major graduation requirements. Students pursuing the qualification of the Hong Kong Institute of Certified Public Accountants, HKICPA in short, can take the additional 3 credits to obtain the maximum exemptions of 10 modules and proceed to the last stage of the HKICPA qualification program, the QP program. These students usually choose to work in public accounting firms like the Big Four. If students wish to develop their knowledge, skills in using data analytics in accounting, they can choose the AA option. Students can also choose QP pathway and also the AA option together. Choosing the AA option will be helpful in their career in the public accounting firms as there are growing demand of talent in this area. Further, the flexibility of accounting curriculum also allows students to pursue double major if they wish to do so. At HKUST, it's very common that accounting students pursue an additional major. The HKUST accounting program is well recognized by both the academic and professional bodies. We're the first accounting program outside North America to win the accreditation by AACSB. This is like a stamp of excellence, signifying the high quality assurance of our accounting program. We are also accredited by the local accounting body, HKICPA, whose qualification is well recognized by major professional accounting bodies worldwide. The accounting program is also accredited by ACCA, a British accountancy body, and CPA Australia. We offer and promote various enrichment activities for our students. These include the student exchange program, internship, and various student development programs. These enrichment activities will develop our students with stronger business acumen. As we have strong partnership with the profession, business corporates, and educational institutions, this provides more opportunities to our students to enhance their enrichment activities. For example, more recently, we have built a collaborative partnership with EY Advanced Technology Tax Lab. HKUST is the first university in Asia Pacific associated with EY Tax Lab. Such partnership will provide various opportunities such as seminars, internship, and graduate employment opportunities, which are unique for our students. One of the exciting activities is no doubt the exchange program, whereby you can broaden your scope as well as gain the experience and perspective from the other culture. This will equip HKUST accounting students better when they come to work in a diverse cultural environment, which is very common in the international corporations in Hong Kong. We partner with over 130 institutions from around the world, and some are nearby in Southeast Asia, such as Korea, Japan, and the others are in Europe and North America. The exchange program offers a good deal because our students are still paying the same fee to HKUST instead of the foreign students' fee at the exchange university. Each year, around 400 HKUST students join the exchange program, and a significant number of accounting students join the program too. We encourage students to take internship as accounting is a practical subject requiring actual working experience. As HKUST accounting, it's not uncommon that accounting students take a break for a semester or even an academic year to take up internship. Students may also try different types of internships, for example, one in the Big Four accounting firm and the other in the banking or finance sector. This is to help them to decide which career path they will go for after graduations. About 95% of our accounting graduates complete an internship. This attributes greatly to our strong partnership with the profession and business corporates. We encourage and support accounting students to participate in student development activities. For example, we have collaborated with our business partners, such as the Big Four and other corporates, to offer cadet program to our students. I'd like to mention in the mentorship program organized by the Accounting Students Society, which is unique to accounting students. The mentors come from the accounting profession, such as the Big Four accounting firms, banks, consulting firms, and finance sector to provide advice and business-related information to our student mentees. Because of their accounting background, the mentors can provide specific guidance to our accounting students on choosing careers, developing contests, and identifying resources. We encourage students to participate in case competitions to develop abilities to solve real-life problems. HKICP Business Case Competition is one of the popular choices by our accounting students. Students working as a team develop a strategy to address real-life business issues. This provides a good opportunity to our students to develop and exercise their business acumen. HKUST students quite often achieve outstanding results in the competition, reconfirming their real-life problem-solving skills. All in all, the HKUST accounting students always stay engaged, not just with their academic affairs, but also with the variety of enrichment activities that they don't want to miss. What is our report card? HKUST Business School are first in Hong Kong, second in Asia, and 13th in the world. As for the HKUST World University ranking by subjects in accounting and finance, we're first in Greater China and 20 in the world. This reflects the world-class quality of our accounting program. Further, this also confirms our academic reputation as well as employer reputations, as these two components account for most weight in the HKUST rankings. In the 2019 Global Employability University Survey, HKUST is number 10 in the world. This also validates that HKUST is one of the very best universities in the world at preparing students for the workplace. What about our accounting graduate placement? 96% of graduates are full-time employed upon graduation. more than 70% of graduates have 2 or more jobs offered. 52% of our accounting graduates recruited by Big Four, the most sought-after accounting firms. 79% of graduates obtained their first job offer by June before their graduation. What about job nature of our graduates? While majority of accounting graduates, 66%, work for accounting, auditing, or taxation, there's also a variety of jobs with different nature that are open to our graduates. For example, there's a significant percentage in banking and finance, 12%, and management admin, 10%. Some of our graduates work in the IT field as system analysts, computer programming, and others in marketing and sales. Included in the others category, we have art and design, economics, statistics and mathematical work, engineering, service work, and protective service. Note that there was a shift from banking finance to the other fields in 2019. Previously, it was around 20% on average. We're not sure if this was just a temporary shift. On the employer list, other than the Big Four, PwC, EY, Deloitte, and KPMG, there are a variety of companies. There's a good number of international and local banking groups such as JP Morgan Chase, Citibank, BNP Paribas, Hang Seng Bank, and so forth. Other employers include Bloomberg, Hong Kong Jockey Club, Hong Kong SAR Government, and Huawei. Based on the job nature and employer list, we can tell the skills students learn through studying accounting at HKUST are transferable and can be applied to many other disciplines, as our students are trained to be business professionals and excelled in the fields that they enter. I hope this presentation gives you a better understanding of the HKUST accounting program. If you have further questions, please note the contact information on the PowerPoint slide. Hope to see you soon in our beautiful campus at Clearwater Bay. Thank you for watching.